Good morning, friends, from one of our favorite stores here in Via Grande on this Palm Sunday weekend. What do we have here, Alfred?
Cultura Culovo. She pronounces it different. This is Sicilian dialect.
Cultura Culovo.
This is. I think I'm gonna get the one, Esther, with the half moon.
I would like the bunny one.
And she would like the bunny. Esther,
This is a
bunny.
typical sweet here in Italy and Sicily, of course, with the egg in the middle, and it's a cookie type of thing, right? A biscotti.
It's a biscotti. It's great. Even my mom used to make these, but these are a little bit different because they have different, different
shapes,
themes, so to speak. What else they have here
So
today?
we have the painted eggs over here, cioccolato bianco, the white chocolate eggs.
I'm gonna get one of these.
What
Esther.
else
Look
do
at
we
this.
have?
We have a
Oh,
marzipane.
look
You
at
have
that,
to
the
get
little
one.
marzipan ones.
Let's get that.
Little lamb. Buongiorno signora. Tutto bene?
Io farei due chiamate prima.
Al telefono,
Okay,
sì,
sono
sì,
me,
sì,
ma
non
non
credo.
posso
Okay, so we
tagliare.
called them earlier to make sure that we had the eggs. Let's see, what else do they have here? The candied oranges, more chocolate eggs. We love stopping by here. We bring all of our guests here as well because they've got a great collection of just about anything Sicilian that you can get. Buongiorno.
Hello.
Ciao.
Morning, how are you, impare?
Tutto bene, grazie, buona Pasqua.
Thank you, buona Pasqua a voi.
Buona Pasqua, buona Pasqua. So they've got a great collection here, and I got to tell you,
Yes,
I've
check
never seen. Yeah, go ahead, Al.
The beautiful
Sun-dried tomatoes,
sun-dried tomatoes. Look at all the different types of
meats,
boiled hams and prosciuttos, and the olives are just unbelievable.
artichokes, of course, that I love.
Artichokes, oh.
Now, you know what? I always am astounded at the collection of pasta here, right, Al? I mean, I have never. We're going to skip through the potato chips.
These are nests. These are very in demand.
The collection of pasta here is just unbelievable. By the way, you know who writes these? The mother. She hand prints all of this.
Do you mind if I get a piece of the bread with the fig?
Ooh, the bread with the fig is
Yeah, I wanna get
always
some-
very
I
good.
want to get some bread.
Ah,
with the
questo è sugo?
fig.
Signora,
Su-
avevo pane calivi, un pane che nuci, un pane che figo,
No.
un pane di casa bello, fatto con cruscenti e poi
Sugo?
Look at that.
puppettuna con sugo.
Mamma mia,
That's
huh?
new here.
That's great.
What are you gonna
Per
get?
me, pane con fichi.
Pane che figo.
Sì, metta.
Metta. Very good. Let me continue
Good.
going on.
Sì,
Oh,
metta
can you
per
get me
favore.
some breadsticks with the sesame too, please, Al?
Which one?
The
Yeah.
breadsticks
For you.
with the sesame?
Grazie.
Oh, let me look at that.
No, vuoi
All
Let me look. Let me
metta?
look.
mezzo.
Sì, mezzo. Look at that, figs, huh?
Delicious.
Yaucho.
All right, I want to show you a little bit more the collection of pasta here, which is remarkable. Honestly, I've never seen such a big collection of pasta anywhere. All right, so there you go. Look at that. Beautifully decorated for Easter. Got the figs here. Probably use the figs to make that bread. And I'm going to take you outside now because it's worth seeing the vegetables and fruits. By the way, strawberries just came out. First of the season, fragola. We have the peppers. And of course, melanzani, eggplant. And now I'm going to show you the incredible carciofi, the artichokes. Oranges. Look at that. So this is what an artichoke looks like right as it's picked. Pepperoncino. So there you go, folks. Hope you enjoyed this little video from you, me, and Sicily. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on another video of you, me, and Sicily. Ciao.